Now watch your clearance.
Substrate aligned.
Quality check passed. Ready for print.
Batch confirmed. Ready for cutting.
Acknowledged. Proceed.
Batch 22B confirmed at row 8.
Verified. Ready for dispatch.
Manifest confirms. Shipment ID 743. Confirmed and scanned. Moving to dispatch. Authorization confirmed. Clear the gates.
Confirmed. Escort proceeding.
Batch 743 manifest confirmed.
All packages scanned and verified. Proceed inside. Pallet verification complete. Seals are intact. Quantity confirmed. Accepted into inventory.
Scanning deposit 405.
Confirmed. Total matches the ledger.
Scan complete. Verification successful. Secure the compartment. We are clear.
Driver ID confirmed. Manifest check complete. Proceed to Bay 3.
Roger that. Securing the load now.
Scanning complete for container 74B. Digital record matches physical inventory. Verified. Transfer approved. Proceed to transport.
Here is your $100 withdrawal, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Here you go. Thank you, that's 100. Here is your receipt. Have a great day.
Verifying the count now.
Looks correct on the register. Have a nice day.
Deposit scanned and secured.
Verified. All protocols clear for departure.
Here is your $100, ma'am. The transaction is complete.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
The machine total is clear, and the digital record confirms it. We can seal this one up.
Scan complete. Deposit ID 749 confirmed.
Verified on manifest. Securing for transport.
Here is the payment.
Thank you. $100 received and verified.